going on in our society. Because of ancestors, we are following the superstition. So, what is superstition? Superstition means believing in unknown things. We actually don't know about that, but we are believing.
Yes, the earlier man who have not sacrificed, who have not knowledge, they are believing in superstition. From earlier time it is going on and till now it is.
Superstition also doesn't believe in unwanted things that never happen.
Superstition has plays a role in our life as a bad also and sometimes good also, because sometimes people use superstition as a good luck, and sometimes people use superstition as a bad luck. And first of all, what is superstition? Superstition means that it creates people's feelings towards a bad luck or a good luck, So it comes from the ancestor, as I agree with you all and your opinions also. So it comes from the ancestors that because of those today we are following these superstitions. So if we will follow all these superstitions, so I think in the future it may also enhance day-to-day life.
Yes, I agree with you all. The superstitions come from ancient time, and now it is so much is spreading because of us, because we are believing on this. Superstition is very bad thing in our society. We don't have to increase it, because it is increasing nowadays rapidly, like cutting nails in the night and so many things like superstition. Actually, superstition is unseen power, which is we can't see, but the ancient people are believing on that. Yes, I agree with all of you. Because of ancestors, it's going on. Because of superstition, from earlier time now, many superstitious persons are also there. Because if a person is believing in superstition, so we will call that person superstitious. So the superstitious person also think, if I will do this, so it will happen. I will do this, so it will happen. So what do you want to say about it? Actually, if we will believe on this, so it will very bad for us, because if we will believe on this, so we can't do any work while friendly. If we will only think about our future, we have to think about our present in this.
Actually, it's our own thinking that if we are doing such a wrong thing, so this will happen and all those. So if we will change our thinking, so all this will not happen. Actually, it begins from our older person, our grandma, grandfather, and all. We can say that because they know superstition, because they believe in unknown superstition from their ancestors. But if we will also, believe in this, so in the future also it increases very much. And there is not a superstition in the bads only. Some people use superstition for good luck also, because if the exam are going to happen, so they just cross their hands and say, I have crossed my hands and all my exam will be good. So all these will be like a superstitious, and some person also use superstition like a bad thing. And in India, the bad superstition and all, that is increasing day by day. Yes, in cities it is not increasing day by day, but in villages it is increasing day by day. Rapidly it is increasing, and a person who is living with their grandfathers and with their older persons, so because of them they are believing in superstition. Breaking mirror in the house and all, and the black cats went across. So all this, if the black cat across were no matter, but because of our believing, just what we say that because of black cat that it crossed our way, now it's going to be very bad happen. Now our day will be very bad. Breaking mirror in the house. If the mirror has been broken in the house, so what we think that now the mirror has broken, so now our day will be bad. There will be all the fights. There will be all caused, very ultimately fights in our life. So all these also cause superstition.
Yes, there are different kind of superstitions, like you should not go anyone's home on